Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay, kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat po ng kasama natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Some weeks ago, nagkaroon po ng trade event, ang GMA7, at tayo dumalo doon. Napakahalaga po ng gabing yon dahil ako'y ginawanan po ng Kapuso Star of the Night. Sa tinagal-tagal ko po dito sa industriyang ito, first time ko po nakatanggap ng Star of the Night. Kaya mahalaga po sa akin ang karangalan ito. Masayang-masaya po tayo ngayong hapon dahil mga kaibigan po ang ating makakasama. Paminsan-minsan, minsan sinasabi natin hindi na natin kaya, and why can't it be? Ang pinag-uusapan po natin ay kantahan at kwentuhan. Ang magaganap ngayong hapon, Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Richard Reynoso and Rani Raimundo! Nice to be here. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Please.
Finally, nakaupo tayo dito.
After 3 years?
Yeah,
Hindi, ano masasabi niyo? Nauna na sa inyo dito si Renz at saka si Chad.
Well, you know, age before beauty.
Yeah.
Talaga? Tanggap nila yon?
Tamang mauna na sila.
Ano yung pinakamagandang katangian ni Chad at kung meron at siniraan at saka ni Renz bilang mga kasapi ng hitmen?
Si Chad ang kilalang napakatahimik. Pero si Chad ang pinanggagalingan ng halos lahat ng mga gags namin sa show.
Talaga?
Sa kanya nang gagaling
Believe it
lahat.
or not.
Okay.
At paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi sa amin yung punchline. Ang hirap nun, yung binanggit na joke, tapos biglang paulit-ulit yung
So,
punchline.
tatawa ka?
Tapos tatawa, yeah. Pero kadalasan, bandang huli, siya na lang yung tumatawa.
Okay. Si Renz naman?
Si Renz, unang-una, tapat na kaibigan talaga si Renz. At higit sa lahat, napakagaling sa numero. That guy is a walking calculator.
Wow.
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
Yes.
He's Ilocano, he's an economist, he's from UP.
Yeah.
So,
No, he's very bright.
Siya rin ang
Very
may hawak ng pondo ng OPM Hitman.
We'll talk about it later. Pero meron bang disagreement sa inyong apat kung sino ang pinakagwapo?
Wala naman siguro.
Wala.
Tanggap nyo na sino ang pinakagwapo?
Tanggap na namin.
Tanggap nyo na ano? Na sino?
Tanggap na namin na hindi po namin dapat pinag-uusapan.
Ang galing mo rin, ano?
Mag-aaway-aaway na kami.
I know. Pag-usapan natin yung noon at ngayon in the context of hits.
Oh, yeah.
Di ba? Umpisahan natin para maalala lamang ng mga nanay, tatay at ng ating mga kapuso. Can you do us a few lines, maybe from, perhaps from your song, Paminsan-Minsan? When you were recording that song, did you know that it was going to be a hit?
Oh, no, but I really love that song when it was presented to me by Aaron Paul. Pero ang problema...
Who was a hit maker?
Yeah.
I mean, okay.
Pero ang problema noon, when I was looking for a song for my album, when he presented it to me, sabi niya may problema dyan. Kasi mayroon nakakuha na niyan eh. Kako, bakit sa akin mo pa binigay? Eh kasi 50% lang yung binayad. Baka mamaya, hindi gamitin. So, baka hindi gamitin. Kaya binibigay ko sa'yo, baka gusto mo, di kunin mo na lang. To cut the long story short, nakausap ko yung gagamit, tapos every time makikita ko, sinasabi ko, ang galing-galing yung kanta nyo and all. Bigla lumapit sa akin one time sa dressing room, sabi niya, Richard, yung paminsan-minsan, gusto mo ba talaga? Kako, oo. Hindi namin gagamitin, hindi bagay sa album namin. So...
It was meant.
Yeah, it was, I
Diba?
guess
Paano
so.
nabago ang buhay mo ng paminsan-minsan?
Well, it was my second hit. And
It
then,
was, yes.
My first was Hindi Ko Kaya. So, syempre, yung paminsan-minsan, legitimized my being a hit singer.
Hindi, trivia lamang po ito. May kasabihan na, mahirap gumawa ng hit. But it is more difficult to do a second hit.
Ay, totoo po yan.
No?
Follow up is very difficult.
Let's go to your hit, Rani. Ano ang kwento ng Why Can't...
You know, Tito Boy, I don't really talk about the story of this song, but for you, I'll tell you the story.
Talaga?
So I was madly in love with this young girl, no? It went on for a while, only to find out that we're related. So hindi po pwede. You know, we come from a very conservative, old family. And like Romeo and Juliet, talagang pinaghiwalay kami. And so the real version of Why Can't It Be was actually fast. It was pop rock.
Wow.
Because I was trying to be macho and I was trying to hide okay lang. But when I met Boss Orly Ilacad of Octo Arts, he said, Iho, gawin mong piano lang yan. So I listened to the wisdom of the old man.
And it worked.
It certainly did.
Yeah. Can you imagine, now that you explained why you wrote the song and the story behind the song,
Yeah.
mas na-appreciate ko yung letra. Ganun pala yun.
Well,
Wow. Nangyayari pala talaga ang Romeo and Juliet. Pero alam niyo po ba, Naitay Kapuso, na the first hit song, this one I know, because even before you told me about this, the first hit song of Ding Dong Avanzado ay sinulat ni Rani.
yes, 3.25.
3.25.
Yeah, nanliligaw ako nun eh. And I was verbatim.
At paano napunta kay Ding Dong?
Well, Ding Dong, we're
Okay,
batchmates.
sandali mo na, naliligaw ka and then, what happened?
Naliligaw ako and so I was outside the university. Papalit ako ng barya for the 3.25 pa nun eh.
Para makatawag.
Eh wala akong barya sa akin na, sige na Ali, papalit naman ng barya. Sa wala ka naman bibili, sige na po, miss ko na siya. And then Ding Dong was coming out. We were fresh from high school and he said, Rance, magre-recording na.
Members of Kundirana.
We were batchmates, we were classmates.
Okay.
And then I said, yeah, I think I have the perfect song for you. And I gave it to him. Well, now, mahal na ang tawag.
Pero noong panahon natin, because I was actively managing during this time, paano niyo alam na kayo'y sikat na?
Oh, well, una-una, lagi mong naririnig yung kanta mo sa
Sa radyo,
radyo. Doon pa lang, wala nang kasing napakagandang
Ay,
high.
nako.
Doon sa marinig mong tumutugtog kahit saan yung kanta mo. Napakasarap po talaga na
Nasaan ka nung una mong narinig sa radyo?
Nasa restaurant po at kakain. At
You don't forget things like
no,
this.
no. You just
Why
never
can't?
forget it.
Nasaan ka?
Well, I was just walking and a janitor was singing my song.
Oh.
Habang nagmamap. And I remember it like yesterday. You're right. You will not forget
No.
these things eh.
Oo, hindi mo talaga malilimutan yung mga pagkakataong ganito. At saka, di ba, you can't even express that feeling.
Ay, there's nothing like it, Tito Boy.
Oo.
Alam mo, generation namin, of course, gusto natin ng hanap buhay, but yung marinig lang namin, sarili namin sa radyo, that was it, you know? That's why we just signed contracts before.
Naalala ko, nagre-radio tour,
Oh.
nagmo-mall tour.
You better believe it
Diba?
talaga, apari to hulo.
At saka binibili kasi yung physical na album di ba?
Halos doon na kami natutulog minsan sa kotse kasi dikit-dikit yung mga shows namin.
Tama po yun.
And there was a time na sinabi ko, anong oras yung show? Sabi nila, 4 o'clock po na umaga. May tao pa ng ganung oras? Oo, dahil alam nilang darating kayo. Kaya people will be waiting.
Wow.
So,
Kaya Tito Boy, yung fulfillment is talagang sobra. Kasi talagang, we cannot, and it's talagang napakasama naman i-compare the following generations.
Of course.
No?
Oo.
That's unfair.
Yeah.
Iba ang
But
basis
it's
nun.
really sweet kasi talagang analog yung approach po namin. Talagang pinaghirapan namin. Nandiligaw kami sa Odyssey record bars. O kamusta sales ko dyan, patingin nung chart.
Tama.
Itulak
Oo.
natin. Tatayo ako dito isang oras, okay lang sa inyo. And we really did it, you know?
pati sa mga radyo, pagka birthday nung DJ, pupuntahan pa
Ay,
namin
nako.
yun. Nadala namin ng mga regalo yun.
Kaibigan.
Pagkain para
I'm talking about analog. Let's talk about your fans. Kumusta yung mga fans noon? Kasi ngayon, you're still exposed to the fans online. Halimbawa, anong pagkakaiba? Anong pagkakapareho?
Well, ang pagkakaiba, like ang fans ko dati ay mga Koleala. Ngayon, mga nanay na
Nanay
ng
na mga Koleala.
Okay.
No, but the difference is, it was really organic, no? We really had a relationship with our fans.
Nanligaw ka sa isang fan?
That's one thing I never did.
You never did that. Ikaw, Richard?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Hindi, bawal po yan. Ako, mahirap.
Pero may mga nagkagusto sa inyo at nag-express.
yes.
Meron, diba?
Oh, yes, more than
Nanay,
that.
patabi-tabi po ito ha. Nung kapanahunan ni Rani sa entablado, tinatapunan kayo ng mga underwear.
Yes, I have an entire, a big guitar case filled with,
Paano ang reaksyon nun? Pag halimbawa, tinatapunan ka ng
Well,
underwear.
alam mo, sa totoo lang, ang
Gamit pare.
Oh, yeah, some. No, kasi there was one time, remember this place called Music Hall?
Of course. Oo.
There was this girl.
Pag-aari po ng aming kaibigang Winger Tracy.
Yeah, but this girl was doing this.
Oh.
Balad yung kanta. Ginagawa nito ba? Yung pala,
Paano? Nakatayo?
Hindi,
nakaupo. Pero gumagano-ganon. Balad yung
Dahil
kinakanta ko.
Niluluwagan na niya eh.
Siguro. So I was saying like this, and then it lands sa kamay ko. So I thought it was panyo. So,
Wow!
I have it on video. So nagulat pa ako.
Okay. At dahil dyan, the usual duets that you do during your shows, ano?
Original.
Mga original. Katulad?
Benny Saturno gave us a song.
Good old Ben, he gave us a song. And the title of the song is Kay Hirap Tumanda. Bakit mo sa amin binibigay ito?
Kay hirap tumanda.
Ay, hirap tumanda.
Maraming apektado.
Thank you,
Ganito,
Benny. Thank you.
masakit man, pero totoo.
Boy, wala kaming problema dyan sa edad na yan. Ako, when people ask me how old, I tell them my real age.
Yeah.
I'm proud of it. And, hindi dapat kinatatakutan na pagtanda.
Ako rin. When
Ako rin.
people ask me what my real age is, I tell them Renz.
Oo. Ako naman, I say I'm 42.
See?
Let's do fast talk. Okay? Richard, let's do fast talk. Okay? Richard,
Opo.
magandang boses o magandang lalaki?
Magandang lalaki.
Tinitilian, binabayaran.
Ano?
Tinitilian, binabayaran.
Ay, tinitilian.
Guwapo pa rin, magaling pa rin.
Magaling pa rin.
Romantiko, pilyo.
Romantiko.
Noon, ngayon.
Noon,
Mas masakit. Walang boses, walang kita.
walang kita.
Mas mahirap manligaw ng artista o maligaw sa eskinita.
Mas mahirap manligaw na artista.
Mas gwapo, ikaw o si Rani.
Ako na lang siguro.
Mas matinik, ikaw o si Rani.
Si Rani.
Mas mayaman, ikaw o si Rani.
Si Rani.
Artista nang busted sa'yo.
Wala po.
Artista ang muntik mong maging girlfriend.
Leia.
Oh, wow.
No, hindi mo muntik maging girlfriend, kundi nagka-interest akong ligawan.
Okay, at nanligaw ka talaga.
At one point, yeah.
We'll talk about it. Singer na takot kang kaduet.
Regine,
Complete this. Paminsan-minsan naalala ko si...
ang kahapon ko,
Complete this. Hindi ko kaya kung...
kung hindi ko makikita ang pamilya ko.
Lights on, lights off.
Oh, lights on.
Happiness or chocolates.
Oh, definitely happiness.
Best time for happiness.
All the time.
Gusto kong maalala ng mga tao bilang...
Isang tao na nakapagpaligaya sila sa kanila at one point.
Bakit ka natatakot makadueto si Regine Velasquez? And I didn't know this story about Leia. You must have been very, very young. But we wanna know part of that story. At sa Hitmen ba, I heard the story that you have a common fund.
Oh, yes.
Ano ang kwento sa likod nito? Ang kwento at mga kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Rani, it's time to do Fast
All right,
Talk.
I've always wanted to do this.
Okay, let's do it. Hot, hit.
Hit.
Guwapo, talentado.
Guwapo.
Dating, dating o galing?
Dating.
No, dating.
Dating.
Rival.
Galing.
Headache, heartache.
Headache.
Singer, lover.
Lover.
Lamang mo kay Richard.
Mahirap naman yan.
O lamang na lang ni Richard sa'yo.
Alamang ko sa kanya si muscle.
Okay, lamang ni Richard sa'yo.
Pangkad. Sa ba?
Gagawan mo ako ng kanta. Anong title? Show up.
So, yeah. Be present.
Guilty or not guilty? May pinagsabay na girlfriend.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nanligaw ng artista.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-perform ng lasing.
Never.
Guilty or not guilty? Naging pasaway sa manager.
Never.
Lights on or lights off?
On.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Every time.
Gusto
All the
kong maalala ng mga tao bilang...
time. Isang orig.
Oh, that's good. Ganda. Talk about, bakit ayaw mo katrabaho si Regine in a duet? We don't have much time.
Pero natawa lang ako dun sa sabi niya, tanong mo kanina na nanligaw ng dalawang girlfriend. Ang masama nito, yung pareho kami nagkaroon ng girlfriend ay isang babae lang. Pero wag na natin pag-usapan yan.
Papunta
Natuwa
sana ako
lang
doon. Anyway, so Regine, bakit?
Regine, well, she's super good. Ang range niya is so,
okay.
So, ang tawag mo rito, malawak masyado. So, ang hirap sabayan.
The Great Lea Salonga. Nanligaw ka? Kilala?
We were very, very good friends. The problem was when I was interested already to make that next step. May nag-interview sa akin who misquoted me na nasira yung relationship.
Alright. You have a common fund. Kayong
Yes.
hitmen. We have 1 minute. Why did this happen? I mean, paano nangyari?
Well,
ito?
number one, on and off stage, magkakaibigan talaga
Yes.
kami.
Oo.
And we really love each other. And we decided, we want to do this for a long, long time. Gumawa kami ng isang fund. And that fund, Tito Boy, was the one who saved us during the lockdowns and the
Galing.
pandemic.
And we even used it to help
And
other
to help
artists.
others. So, may disiplina kami. A certain percentage of the show na ginagawa namin goes to that fund.
Sana gayahin yan ng mga batang performers.
Sana.
And maraming salamat. As I say goodbye, please sing a song. Naitay Kapuso,
Kaya ka na, Tito Boy, gusto namin magtanong sa'yo.
Okay.
May konti pang oras.
isa na lang.
Tito Boy, bago ka umalis kanina dito,
Okay.
ano sinabi sa'yo ng salamin?
Sabi sa akin,
At
okay,
kung kinausap mo yung salamin mo, lights on or lights off?
lights on.
Okay.
Dalawa ang mga katagbo mong mga gwapo.
Wow!
At hingan mo sila ng balato. Kaya yun. maraming salamat po, Naitay Kapuso, sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin sa inyong mga tahanan araw-araw. We'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye for now. And God bless!